Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. If you have any questions, comments, or surplus machinery you would like to sell, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or by dialing 630-229-6705. For an up-to-date list of machines, visit us on the web at 360degreemachinery.com. In addition to what is listed on our website, we have 50 plus machines being processed, as our inventory changes daily, so check back often as we do not list machines until they have been thoroughly cleaned and tested. Also remember that our full inventory is located in-house and that we do not broker tools to guarantee quality. We're going to take a look at a 2007 Weima WL10 V-Rotor grinder. The V-Rotor head has all new knives installed, and this particular WL10 also has the largest motor option as well. This is what the material looks like coming out of the machine without a screen. The price includes choice of screens. You could choose between 20, 25, 35, 50, 75, or 100 millimeter hole size. This machine does feature the largest motor, which is 68 horsepower. It does have a 2.5 horsepower hydraulic motor. And it features the largest number of tools you can get in this frame size, which is 52. The WL shredder is designed exclusively for shredding wood timber and similar materials like plastics, cardboard, etc. The machine does have 5,934 hours on it currently, and it is tuned up and ready to go. If you have any questions or comments, you could reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.